Hello Marble guys, Gravy here. Today we're unboxing a carousel, but not that one, this one. So let's take a look at the back side. So we've got some instructions for it, how to use it, how it looks like in a track and what's included. And we have some other stuff, some QR codes, links and something from GraviTrax. This set retails for about €13.99 euros in Germany. I don't know what the price in other countries is, or even in the US is, but yes. So let's take a look inside. So we've got some white base pieces and 2 green gear pieces, and also 4 pillars in total. Yeah, that's instructions for it, how to build it and how to use it in a track. Yeah. But I don't think I need those instructions, therefore I'm going to attempt to build it on my way. So first we clip on the transparent pillars in the white base. There we go. And now clip on the green gear pieces with the stick that rotates. Yeah. Clip this rotating thing on the gear. Or I try to, maybe. Yes, this clips together very easily. And the other thing on the top. Yeah, like this. And now I think I've done something wrong. Yes, I've done something wrong. It's a mistake. So I'm trying to build it now the correct way. First put on the flat thing on the top with the gear on the top, and then on the white base, and then clip this side. There we go. There we have a finished carousel. Clip on the last edges together. Yes. Of course, the best function, it rotates. Now I'm going to build a small track with it, which shows the function of this element. In conclusion, this is a very good pro element. It comes in a new box for only €13.99, which is a good price if you think about it, what you get. You get a £3.5 high tile high element that brings more flexibility and complexity on your track. So it's a good deal.